need to support the artisan nature of our trade. We need to embrace it. And you know, just under half of our employees are technicians. A lot of them are artisan, they're creative. And when you work with your hands like that, whatever you create, you're proud of. And we need to embrace that. It's a skill set it's not easy to learn. A tech can be very, very proud of what they do, very emotional about what they do. And you know, if they can become some part of something bigger, I've always believed it's a driving force in the centers. So we want to take that to the next level, because we want to walk into every room proud of what we're doing, proud of every teammate around us. And in my opinion, pride can really drive the finished product. It's not just me that feels that way. I mean, the administrative person in the store. You know, the ones that feel that way, we are already, as soon as they show up, we're looking to promote them because we want that. You can see that behavior. You can understand that core value is there. And you kind of overlay the opportunity that we have here. That's, to me, what the big piece of all this is about for me, is to make sure we've got the right people here. We're constantly trying to get them in the right place, the right seat on the bus. We're challenging them. They're challenging me. The organization is moving kind of down that path together, building the brand. I am proud to be part of something that is changing an industry, that has an opportunity to make a difference in our communities. And we're growing, since I've been here, by 5,000 people in 2.5, 3 years. We are creating something that nobody else has. And it's special. I'm proud to be here.